One common word I normally hear from most of my prospect is I don't have money. And when they say I don't have money, I look at them and advise them quickly to change that mindset. Listen, when you need something, never ever say that you don't have money. Never ever say that when you need something, don't say you don't have money. Even if you don't have money, don't say it. When you said you don't have money, you become lazy. In fact, it makes your mind, your brain to relax, to feel like, oh, no problem. Since you don't have money, just forget about it. But you need that opportunity, and that opportunity is about to pass you by. What are you saying? You don't say you don't have money. You know what you should say? What you should say is that, okay, I think this is a worthwhile opportunity. I'll work towards raising money for this. That's one thing you might say. Another thing you might also say is you check whether you actually have money, because sometimes when people say they don't have money, what they meant is they don't have enough money. So differentiate between I don't have money and I don't have enough money. You have money, but probably you don't have a budget for that particular project. Okay, now what you have to do is take your time, immediately take your time to check how important is this opportunity for you. If it is very, very important, do not ignore it. The next thing you have to do is negotiate. If you have some money, negotiate with the person giving you the opportunity to see if you can pay by installment. Some people will agree. I know I used to give my students opportunity to pay by installment for some of my courses. Okay, negotiate so that you pay by installment, and once the person agrees, make your first deposit. Do not procrastinate. Do not. Procrastination is not a friend at all. It doesn't help, it kills. You make the first deposit. Once you make your first deposit, I tell you, then you have committed yourself to do something, and it makes you not to be lazy anymore because your money is in it. But if you didn't commit yourself in any way, you are going to lose that opportunity, I bet you. You're going to lose it. And at the end of the day, those that took the opportunity might succeed, and you begin to regret. Study the opportunity to know if it is really what you need to survive, if it is what you need badly. If it is, don't ignore it. Don't say you don't have money. Because if you say it, it makes you lazy. You relax, you do nothing about it. The opportunity will just fly away like that. Pay by installment if there is opportunity to pay by installment. If there is no opportunity to pay by installment, get the contact of the person that provides that opportunity for you. Get his contact, get his website. Just find a way to make sure that you reach him, ask him some questions and connect with him. Tell him that you're working hard to raise the money, and when you raise the money, you will chat him. You keep in contact and you work hard, you raise the money, you call people to borrow from them. If you can't borrow, then you negotiate with the person that can he give you more time? Because you need these things, you need it. Stop allowing opportunity to pass you by. You are not becoming any younger. That's the problem. You are not becoming any younger. Maybe you are still in secondary school and you think, okay, some people say high school. Maybe you are still in high school or secondary school, depending on where you are watching this from. And you might think that you still have all the time. You don't have time. Before you know that, you are married and have children, and you look back and you say, oh my God, I thought I still have time. And remember, whatever skill, any skill you are going to learn takes time. So some skills that might eventually start making you a huge amount of money might take you like so many months or many years to learn. Why not start learning it now? Now that you think you are still young, you still have the strength. Why not now? Don't you know that there are young CEOs? There are young billionaires. So don't just think you are young. There are young billionaires. Then, if you don't have money at all and you need that opportunity, look for another option is see if you can get free training, as in free training that talks about that opportunity. If the person offering you the opportunity has a free part of it, start with the free training. The free training will help you to get to know more about that opportunity, to know if it is truly what you need. And while you're learning for free, you keep saving, because most times free training will not cover everything for you, but it will cover some certain things. You understand me? So you keep saving money while you're learning for free. The moment you raise the money and you have checked, you've studied that opportunity, and you've seen that, oh my God, this opportunity might really make you a lot of money. What do? You pay. You get what I'm saying? You pay and you take it serious, because once you pay, you have access to the person that gave you the opportunity. You can ask him any question you want. He will answer you. You might even work with him. He will link you, will connect you. So eventually, you join those that are making it. Because that's actually what you need. The association you need is the association of visionaries, the association of people that are making it already, so that it will inspire you every day to make it. The reason why a lot of people are not actually concerned about really taking their time to make money, especially when they are still young, is because their circle of friends are complacent. They are doing nothing. Imagine when you join the circle of friends that are visionary, that are creating stuff, that are actually making a lot of money. Why won't you make money? That's what I'm talking about. And sometimes when you pay for a course, it gives you the opportunity to join a group of people that are already doing something worthwhile. And the mentality of this group of people will motivate you, and it will change your mentality. It doesn't matter, listen, it doesn't matter where you are coming from. It doesn't matter your family. It doesn't matter whether you are poor. Because you might think you don't have money, you are poor. What are you saying? There are lots of poor people that are governors and presidents today, but they were poor when they were young. There are lots of poor people that grew from poverty to wealth. You can't be any different. Once you have your brain, do something. Listen, money you paid in any training at all, no matter how good or bad the training is an investment, because you're giving yourself another opportunity to gain experience, and the experience is currency. Do you get me? So no money paid for any training is a waste. Just note this: no money paid for any training is a waste. It gives you opportunity to experience, gives you connection to people. You get it, and a whole lot of opportunities. So don't be afraid of paying. If you have the money, pay. If you have some, you can pay by installment. If you don't have at all, start learning for free and save towards paying. If there are no free, but there must be free. If the person doesn't have free way of learning it, go to YouTube and search for that opportunity. Start learning for free while you save to pay. Because there is an opportunity you get by paying. You get connections, okay? You get motivations from other people, and you get more knowledge. You have somebody you talk to, and many more opportunities when you pay for a particular course. So, my dear, don't just sit on the fence. Don't sit on the fence. If you don't have money, please just follow all this advice I've given. Don't just sit on the fence, okay? So that said, if you love this video, you can like, you can subscribe, okay? You can share to your friends. I would appreciate it. I would so much appreciate it. Thank you so much. Share this, like this video, subscribe. Okay, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Okay, if you don't have any question, just say this: I can never give up. Okay, say I cannot be complacent. I can never say I don't have money again. Say it in the comment. If you say it, it motivates you to not give up no matter what. If you don't have money, save towards it. You get it? Thank you so much. So if you want to contact me, you're going to see my contact details in the description of the video, okay? Then if you want to visit my website to order for any of my courses, you're also going to see details in the description. Then if you want to build your website, using my app, you're also going to see the link of the app in the description. Okay, wish you good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Whew.